This doesn't want to come out. Still, I can't even. Sometimes they come out real easy. This one doesn't want to come out. Okay, if the video runs out, I don't want to do this too long, but you'll know when I come back with the test video that we got them out. Okay, I'm starting to see something down in there. Okay, I'm going to go to a bigger drill now. If you don't get it out, you try to unthread it, it's just not going to work. And might be that I need to go up. I think I need to go up one more drill size. It's close. Let me check this. This one's too big. I don't want that one. I want one a little bit bigger than this. And I think it'll come out of there. See? So what I've done in the past is I'll TIG weld those holes back up to try to save this thing. Let's find the right drill. I just need a little bit more. Here we go. You get this all apart, you'll TIG weld that up, and you don't want to mess the threads up. But I know I'm getting closer. Bad drill bit. You can see I have 3 of these to do, so 3 of these to get out just to save this. So once you get them out, it's not bad if you can get the caps off. It's all about this part of it, getting the pins out of it without destroying it. Okay, let's see what that looks like. A little bit more. Okay, let's see what happens here. There it goes. Okay, hopefully I caught all that on video. Because you see a big hole in there. See, now it'll come off. Watch. Let's see here. It kind of leaves, that's like a 5/16 hole that I have to fill. Okay, it's the only way to get them apart. So there's a tip for the day. Let's keep going here for a minute. So you can kind of see all that just to get this out. It comes out fairly easy once you do it. Okay, you can see where I drilled into the threads then. That's why you have to be careful here. See, I'll show you right where it's at. You see right there where I did it. That's where it was. Okay, that's good for this video. I wanted to show that. Hopefully I caught it all. That might be 2 videos. Okay, stand by.